Hello, welcome to all my YouTube viewers. Today I have come with a new TDL file. This TDL file totally different from what you have seen on YouTube. This TDL file show purchase bill wise tracking stock report. There is my report. Okay. Now first I have already installed the TDL file. First I have to config batch enable. Fine. Go go to company features F11 and you can see here enable batch. Okay, the option is yes. Okay, first config is done. Second configuration, I have already created two stock journal voucher. Okay, one is MFG, that is manufacturing journal entry, and you can see enable challan tracking, that is purchase bill tracking. This option should be yes. Okay, also another voucher type is handling loss. What is the handling? Handling loss. This also option enable challan tracking or purchase bill tracking. Yes. Okay. I have already made some purchase bill and manufacturing journal. Okay. Now I can see you this in alter mode. First, I go to my report bill wise stock report and choose any one components item or bill of materials item, that is okay. First I tell you that suppose we we produce the mango chutney. Our components item is, or bill of materials item is, sugar, salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, etc. Now I am issuing these components, then tracking purchase bill number. Okay, first I suppose I select mango. Now first I open this purchase bill. Okay, you can see when the stock item is mango and automatic by default batch number is purchase bill ID. Okay, now I see you the manufacturing journal entry. Okay, my product item mango chutney 200 kg, order number blank. This is another purpose. Just now for this I blank this field. This is the mango, issued the mango, and I have tracked the purchase bill number 125. Okay, also sugar. Then I have tracked the PU, purchase bill number PU1. That is the purchase ID is ID 11, ID 12, ID 13. These all are batch number ID, but this is all our batch number. Okay, when we make the uh, purchase bill, this batch field is skipped by default. We cannot change or cannot make a new batch number. Okay, this is by default. this is taking by default batch ID. Now what is this report? Okay, first you can see that 2nd April 2021 challan number, that is the purchase bill number, name of the supplier Food Bazaar. Okay, then the production quantity, total inward or quantity, that is the purchase quantity 500 kg mango I have purchased to produce the mango chutney. Now manufacturing journal is production quantity produce the 200 mango chutney. Okay, 200 kg mango chutney, and I consumed this mango 300 kg, and this one is the handling loss. This also I can see, you can see in alternate mode the handling loss. I choose the stock journal voucher type is handling loss, and mango is loss 200 kg, sorry, 20 kg, and it is also tracked the purchase bill number. Okay, now you can see 500 kg mango I have purchased in 2nd April. The production for 200 mango chutney issued 300 mango, then handling loss 200 kg, another production mango chutney on 5th April for 400 kg. Now I have issued only 180 kg because of 500 kg purchase. First I have already issued 300 kg and handling loss 200 kg. The remaining was 180 kg, and but this 400 mango chutney to be produced, I need total 180 kg and 300 kg. Just I in edit this manufacturing journal. Okay, the mango chutney is produced 400 kg, and we need this mango is 480 kg, but I have tracked the purchase bill, tracked first bill was the quantity, balance quantity is 180 kg, and second purchase bill I have taken 300 kg. Okay, so there total issue 480 kg. Okay, so my report is against this 500 kg mango purchase. First I have issued 300 mango, then handling loss 20 kg, then remaining was 180 kg, and it is also used in the 5th April manufacturing journal for 400 mango chutney production. Sorry. Now total consumed is 500 kg, and also total purchase is 500 kg. The closing balance is 0. Second purchase, I have already 5th April also purchased mango 500 kg. Now 5th April I issued 300 mango and handling loss 1000 kg. Another manufacturing entry for 100 mango kg production, I I use or consume 150 kg and handling loss 10 kg. This manufacturing of 100 kg mango chutney. Now total purchase of mango 500 kg, 300 kg, 10 kg handling charges, then 150 kg, then 10 kg handling charges. Total consumed 470 kg. Now this purchase bill, against this purchase bill, I have closing stock just 30 kg mango. Okay, so this report is shown against each and every purchase bill, which against every purchase bill the stock received and stock out, the stock in and stock out against every purchase bill. Okay, so I think this report is very useful. The manufacturer who maintain the issued the stock item against first in first out, that is the first purchase bill against then next purchase bill, and he also overall get a overall report against. Also you can say also here is the supplier name also. Okay, which supplier, stock is which supplier stock is in hand or in balance. Okay, so I think this is a very useful stock report against purchase bill wise tracking stock report. Another report also, here is the production report. This is also every data wise production report. Okay, this also the mango chutney, and was the mango 300 kg, sugar, salt, uh, ginger powder, garlic powder, like that. Second, 5th April, the total mango chutney 400 kg, production the 400 kg, mango issue 180 kg, another issued is 300 kg. First one is bill number 125, second is 225 bill number. Okay, first purchase bill was 2nd April and second purchase bill was 5th April. Okay, this is the overall report of the purchase bill wise with tracking report. Okay, thank you. If any query of this report or this type of TTL file or Tally any customization, please call me and I will solve your problem, or your you can you can you can see all my YouTube videos. If it is okay or it is useful for you or it is good for any kind of business, please contact with me. My contact number is given in description.